You're welcome, guys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be solving or simplifying a question. Simplify the square root of 6 to infinity. So this is what it simply means. When you see the theory talks, it's endless, talks about infinite value. Something that you keep doing all over again, that keeps circulating, that keeps revolving, that keeps going without ending, without ever ending. So here we have simplified 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. I could say plus root 6 plus root 6 to infinity. Okay, so how do we solve this? How do we go about solving questions like this? So the first thing here is that we have to assign a variable to a question. So the question here becomes x. We've equated it to x. Am I doing this? I can easily say the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6. I mean, if I should just take three of it and add 9 to infinity to it, it is also hex, as in this way. I could remove the first one again and have just 2. It is also hex. Finally, we have this as well, it's also hex. So which means whatever I do here, no matter what, as far as my so infinity is there, and then the first square roots and my figure 6 plus the an operator plus sign, everything is always x. I could make it 1000 times and just have my plus infinity. It is also x. Okay, so now note that this side, if we check this slide well, and the first thing here, I circled 1, 2, and 3. I circled root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus to infinity. Why am I circling it? If you check your slide, you would notice that this is also x. So instead of me writing this, I can easily chip in x. I can easily replace this with x as in this way. So I have it as this with 6 plus x plus x. I've not altered anything. Still solving the same question. So but then I've made it much more easier. So now we can easily simplify this by squaring both sides. If I square both sides, my root to be eliminated. Okay. Now give me 6 plus x plus x squared. So I'll actually arrange this and move positive x and like positive 6 to the other side. Now the x squared minus x minus 6 will be equal to 0. So my factors are minus 3 and positive 2 because minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6. Okay, so we have it here as x into brackets x minus 3 plus 2 into brackets x minus 3. This is 3, not 6. Should be 3. Now we have x plus 2 and x minus 3 as our factors. So that gives me x equals minus 2 or x equals 3. But then, our x cannot be negative. I mean, you can't find the square root of any number and give you negative results. This is not complex root or whatever. So it can be negative. So our x now becomes 3 actually. Because we have x as 3. So if you should carry your calculator and keep simplifying this, you'll get 3. That's what exactly mean. If you check it very, very well, those circled ones, I call them hex. If you add 3 to that, that'll be the square root of 6 plus 3, which will give me the square root of 9, which is also 3. So that keeps going. So thank you very much for watching this. And ensure you subscribe and like for more videos.